look at an institution like this, when there's no power, they would have to subsidize that using generators, which are run on fuel, and of course that has emissions into the environment. But with this system now, the primary source of power really is solar, and then the next is Kenya Power. And only maybe at night, if there is a major blackout, they would have to use a generator. So that's an example of how an institution can be environmentally friendly by reducing emissions, the emissions into the environment using the solar power.
The cost of utility is generally going up. That cost ends up reflecting the price that goes to the customer. So in managing or reducing our utility cost, then it means that you're going to provide care more efficiently to our customers. Solar is kind of predictable, so that we're going to have a more predictable source of renewable energy as compared to probably other sources of energy. Then lastly, the sustainability aspect, that it's good to the environment, it's good for our children as well. Our ESG program obviously starts with the utility and energy, and so this is just for the first step. So one is looking at lighting and total energy cost for equipment and so on and so on. So this Muthaiga campus consumes probably around 300 kilowatts of power every single day, and so we want to convert all that to renewable energy.
We do this across Africa. We are in 10 countries, and all these countries, there are institutions like these, there are schools, there are farms, and entities that need to be more efficient, need to have a better value from their resources. And so this is a good example of the capabilities that Davis Shirtliff has, not just in executing, but designing. You got to have the design capabilities, you got to understand the needs of the institution, and just make sure that the project you put in place is not too small for their requirements, not too big, because then you'll be wasting money. Just something balanced to provide an efficient solution for the institution. And we are doing this. We are very happy to partner with Gertrude in their sustainability agenda.